Welcome back to Algebra 1 Honors. This is continuation number 2 of lesson 5-10. This was the problem that we finished with in the original continuation, and this is one way to factor. But in looking at this, I wondered when I got to the end of it why I didn't have all multiplication here. You notice I have this minus here. Okay? So I went back and looked at the problem again, because this is not wrong as it's written here, but it would be nice to have all multiplies, because that's what factoring is, and no minuses. So let's go back and group a different way. What if we grouped the m squared, the minus 6m, and the plus 9 together? Okay? So you can see from this that sometimes you're going to try one grouping. Here I grouped together just the 6m and then the 9's and the 9n squareds I put together. You're going to try one grouping and maybe it's not going to come out quite where you want it. So try something else. M squared minus 6m plus 9. Let's group those three together. Get a trinomial. And then we still have our minus 9n squared. So that's by itself. Okay, so we just grouped a little bit differently. Now, if we look at this, we can factor this trinomial into m minus 3 times m minus 3. We still have our minus 9n squared there. Well, looky here, we have a perfect square. So we have m minus 3 squared minus 9n squared. Now we have the difference of two perfect squares. So we're going to factor into square roots plus and square roots minus. Okay, so we take our square root of m minus 3 squared is m minus 3, and our square root of 9n squared is 3n. Put that in both places. And then simplify. Let's see, we've got m. Let's put the plus 3n next. And then the minus 3. And then over here, we've got m. Let's see, let's make this one go the right way. M minus 3n minus 3. And we're done. Now, this is a preferable solution right here to this one right here, because this one still has a minus in it. Minus right there. Okay? And this one doesn't. This is all factors, all products. This times this. Okay? So sometimes if you group together one way and it doesn't work, try grouping a different way and factor it.